Imagine waking up every morning with a sense of dread, a heavy weight on your shoulders, and a constant nagging feeling that you're not good enough, that you'll never achieve your dreams, and that life is just one big struggle. That's what stress feels like, and it's a reality for far too many people in today's fast-paced, high-pressure world. But what if I told you that there's a way to break free from the shackles of stress, to rise above the chaos and the noise, and to find true peace, happiness, and fulfillment in your life? What if I told you that you have the power within you to transform your mindset, to rewrite your story, and to create the life you've always wanted? It's not just a pipe dream or a fantasy. It's a real possibility, and it all starts with a simple shift in perspective. You see, stress isn't something that happens to you. It's not an external force that you have no control over. It's a choice, a reaction, a habit that you've learned over time. Think about it. When something doesn't go your way, when you face a challenge or a setback, how do you typically respond? Do you get angry, frustrated, or overwhelmed? Do you blame others, make excuses, or give up altogether? Or do you stay calm, focused, and determined, knowing that every obstacle is an opportunity to learn, grow, and become stronger? The truth is, life is full of ups and downs, twists and turns, and unexpected detours. You can't control what happens to you, but you can control how you react to it. You can choose to let stress consume you, to let it dictate your thoughts, emotions, and actions, or you can choose to rise above it, to find the lesson in every struggle, and to use it as fuel for your journey. I know it's not easy. I've been there myself countless times. I've felt the weight of the world on my shoulders, the fear of failure, the doubt, and the insecurity. But I've also learned that the only way to overcome stress is to confront it head on, to face your fears, and to take action in spite of them. It starts with your mindset. Instead of seeing stress as a threat, see it as a challenge. Instead of focusing on what you can't control, focus on what you can. Instead of dwelling on the past or worrying about the future, stay present in the moment and take things one step at a time. Develop a growth mindset, a belief that you can learn, improve, and adapt to any situation. Embrace failure as a necessary part of the process, a stepping stone to success. Surround yourself with positive, supportive people who believe in you and lift you up. Take care of your body and your mind. Exercise regularly, eat healthy, and get enough sleep. Practice mindfulness, meditation, or deep breathing to calm your nerves and center yourself. Find healthy outlets for your stress, whether it's through creative pursuits, hobbies, or volunteering. Set clear goals and priorities, and focus on what truly matters to you. Let go of perfectionism, comparison, and need for external validation. Celebrate your progress no matter how small, and be kind to yourself when you stumble or fall short. Remember, stress is not a sign of weakness or inadequacy. It's a natural part of the human experience, a reminder that you're alive, that you're growing, and that you're capable of overcoming any obstacle in your path. So the next time you feel overwhelmed, anxious, or stressed out, take a deep breath, close your eyes, and remind yourself that you have the power to choose your response. You can let stress control you, or you can rise above it and take control of your life. It won't happen overnight, and it won't be easy. There will be setbacks, challenges, and moments of doubt. But with perseverance, resilience, and an unwavering commitment to your own growth and well-being, you can break free from the cycle of stress and live the life you truly desire. Imagine waking up every morning with a sense of purpose, excitement, and joy. Imagine going through your day with a clear mind, a confident stride, and an unshakable belief in yourself and your abilities. Imagine facing challenges with courage, grace, and a sense of humor, knowing that every obstacle is an opportunity to learn, grow, and become the best version of yourself. That's what life is all about. It's not about avoiding stress or seeking perfection. It's about embracing the journey with all its ups and downs and finding meaning, purpose, and fulfillment along the way. So start today. Take one small step towards a stress-free life. Maybe it's a deep breath, a kind word to yourself, or a moment of gratitude for all the blessings in your life. Maybe it's a decision to let go of a grudge, to forgive someone who has hurt you, or to take a risk and pursue your dreams. Whatever it is, know that you have the power within you to transform your life, to break free from the shackles of stress, and to create a future filled with joy, love, and abundance. It won't be easy, but it will be worth it. You are worth it. Your dreams, your goals, and your happiness are worth fighting for. So don't give up, don't give in, and don't let stress steal your joy. Remember, you are not alone. There are people who believe in you, who support you, and who are rooting for your success. Lean on them when you need to, and be there for them when they need you. Together we can create a world where stress is not the norm, where people are free to live their best lives, and where happiness, love, and fulfillment are the rule, not the exception. It starts with you. It starts with a choice, a decision, a commitment to yourself and your own well-being. It starts with a belief that you are capable of greatness, that you have a unique purpose in this world, and that you deserve to live a life filled with joy, peace, and abundance. So take that first step. Embrace the journey with all its challenges and triumphs, and know that every moment, every experience, and every person you meet along the way is a gift, a blessing, and an opportunity to grow, learn, and become the best version of yourself. You have the power within you to create the life you want, to break free from stress, and to live with purpose, passion, and joy. All you have to do is believe in yourself, take action, and never give up. Remember, success is not a destination, it's a journey. It's not about reaching some arbitrary goal or milestone. It's about becoming the best version of yourself, day by day, moment by moment. So embrace the process, enjoy the ride, and trust that everything happens for a reason. Every challenge, every setback, and every triumph is a part of your unique story, a testament to your strength, resilience, and courage. And when you look back on your life, years from now, you'll see that every moment, every decision, and every step along the way was leading you to exactly where you were meant to be. So don't wait another day, another hour, or another minute. Start living your best life now. Start breaking free from stress, and start embracing the joy, the love, and the abundance that is your birthright. You are capable of greatness. You are worthy of happiness, and you have the power within you to create the life you truly desire. So go out there and make it happen. Take that first step and never look back. The world is waiting for you, and your best life is just around the corner. Remember, the journey to a stress-free life is not a sprint, it's a marathon. It's not about making drastic changes overnight, but rather about making small, consistent steps towards a healthier, happier, and more fulfilling life. One of the most important things you can do is to develop a strong support system. Surround yourself with people who lift you up, who believe in you, and who inspire you to be your best self. Avoid toxic relationships and negative influences that drain your energy and bring you down. Seek out mentors, coaches, and role models who have achieved the kind of life you want to live. Learn from their experiences, their mistakes, and their triumphs. Ask for advice, guidance, and support when you need it, and be willing to do the same for others. Another key to breaking free from stress is to develop a strong sense of purpose and meaning in your life. What is it that drives you, that inspires you, that makes you feel alive and fulfilled? Is it your family, your friends, your community? Is it your career, your hobbies, your passions? Is it a cause or a mission that you believe in deeply? Whatever it is, make it a priority in your life. Pursue it with all your heart and soul, and let it be your guiding light when times get tough. Remember, purpose is not something that you find, it's something that you create. It's not about waiting for some external validation or recognition, but rather about aligning your actions with your values and your beliefs. So take the time to reflect on what truly matters to you, and then take action to make it a reality. Volunteer, donate, or advocate for a cause that you believe in. Start a side hustle or a passion project that allows you to express your creativity and your talents. Spend quality time with the people you love and make memories that will last a lifetime. The more you focus on your purpose and your passions, the less room there will be for stress and anxiety in your life. You'll find that you have more energy, more motivation, and more resilience to tackle whatever challenges come your way. Of course, there will still be times when stress gets the better of you. That's okay, it's normal, and it's part of the human experience. The key is to have a toolbox of stress management techniques that you can turn to when you need them. One of the most effective tools is mindfulness. Mindfulness is the practice of being present in the moment, without judgment or distraction. It's about paying attention to your thoughts, your feelings, and your sensations without getting caught up in them or trying to change them. Mindfulness can take many forms, from meditation and yoga to deep breathing and progressive muscle relaxation. The key is to find a practice that works for you and to make it a regular part of your daily routine. When you're feeling stressed or overwhelmed, take a few minutes to close your eyes, take a deep breath, and focus on the present moment. Notice the sensations in your body, the sounds around you, and the thoughts and feelings that arise. Don't try to push them away or change them. Just observe them with curiosity and compassion. And when your mind starts to wander, gently bring your attention back to your breath, your body, and the present moment. With practice, mindfulness can help you develop a greater sense of calm, clarity, and perspective. It can help you respond to stress with grace and resilience, rather than reacting with fear or anxiety. Another powerful tool for managing stress is gratitude. Gratitude is the practice of focusing on the good things in your life, no matter how small or seemingly insignificant. It's about cultivating a sense of appreciation and abundance, even in the face of challenges and setbacks. It's about recognizing that every moment, every experience, and every person in your life is a gift, a blessing, and an opportunity to learn and grow. So take a few minutes each day to reflect on the things you're grateful for. Write them down in a journal, share them with a friend or loved one, or simply take a moment to silently acknowledge them in your heart. The more you focus on gratitude, the more you'll start to see the world through a lens of positivity and possibility. You'll find that you have more energy, more motivation, and more resilience to tackle whatever challenges come your way. Of course, gratitude is not about denying or ignoring the challenges and the pain in your life. It's not about putting on a fake smile or pretending that everything is perfect. Rather, it's about finding the silver lining in every cloud, the lesson in every mistake, and the opportunity in every obstacle. It's about recognizing that even in the darkest of times, there is always something to be grateful for, always a reason to keep going, and always a light at the end of the tunnel. So don't be afraid to feel your feelings, to acknowledge your struggles, and to ask for help when you need it. But also don't forget to look for the good, to celebrate your victories, and to give thanks for the blessings in your life. Remember, gratitude is not a destination, it's a practice. It's not something that you achieve once and for all, but rather something that you cultivate every day, every moment, and every interaction. So make it a habit to start and end each day with gratitude. Make it a priority to surround yourself with people who inspire and uplift you. And make it a commitment to yourself to always look for the good, even in the face of adversity. The more you practice gratitude, the more you'll start to see the world through a lens of abundance and possibility. You'll find that you have more joy, more peace, and more fulfillment in your life, no matter what challenges come your way. Another key to breaking free from stress is to take care of your physical health. Your body and your mind are intimately connected, and when one is out of balance, the other suffers as well. So make it a priority to eat a healthy, balanced diet, full of whole foods, fruits, and vegetables. Avoid processed foods, sugar, and excessive amounts of caffeine and alcohol, which can all contribute to stress and anxiety. Make sure to get plenty of sleep each night, aiming for at least 7 to 8 hours of quality rest. Avoid screens and electronic devices for at least an hour before bedtime, and create a relaxing bedtime routine that helps you wind down and prepare for sleep. Exercise regularly, aiming for at least 30 minutes of moderate physical activity most days of the week. Find an activity that you enjoy, whether it's walking, running, swimming, cycling, or dancing, and make it a regular part of your routine. Exercise not only helps to reduce stress and anxiety, but it also boosts your mood, improves your sleep, and strengthens your immune system. It's one of the most powerful tools you have for managing stress and promoting overall health and well-being. In addition to taking care of your physical health, it's also important to prioritize your mental and emotional well-being. This means setting boundaries, saying no when you need to, and making time for self-care and relaxation. It means surrounding yourself with positive, supportive people who lift you up and inspire you to be your best self. It means seeking out therapy, counseling, or coaching when you need it, and being willing to ask for help when you're struggling. Remember, taking care of yourself is not selfish, it's essential. You cannot pour from an empty cup, and you cannot be there for others if you're not first taking care of yourself. So make it a priority to schedule time for yourself each day, even if it's just a few minutes. Use that time to do something that brings you joy, whether it's reading a book, taking a bath, or simply sitting in silence and breathing deeply. Make it a habit to check in with yourself regularly and to tune in to your own needs and desires. Ask yourself what you need in each moment, and then take action to meet those needs with compassion and kindness. The more you prioritize your own well-being, the more you'll be able to show up fully and authentically in your life. You'll have more energy, more creativity, and more resilience to tackle whatever challenges come your way. And remember, breaking free from stress is not a one-time event. It's a lifelong journey. There will be ups and downs, setbacks and triumphs, moments of clarity and moments of confusion. But through it all, remember that you have the power within you to choose your response, to create your reality, and to live a life of purpose, passion, and joy. So keep going, keep growing, and keep believing in yourself. Surround yourself with people who support and inspire you and never stop learning and evolving. The world needs your unique gifts, your unique perspective, and your unique light. So don't let stress dim your shine, don't let fear hold you back, and don't let doubt keep you small. Rise up, step into your power, and claim the life that you truly desire. It's waiting for you, and it's yours for the taking. So take a deep breath, close your eyes, and imagine the life you want to live. See it in vivid detail, feel it in every cell of your being, and believe with all your heart that it's possible. Then take that first step and keep going. One day at a time, one moment at a time, one breath at a time. And know that with every step you are getting closer to your dreams, closer to your purpose, and closer to the life you were meant to live. So don't give up, don't give in, and don't let stress steal your joy. You are stronger than you know, braver than you believe, and more capable than you can imagine. And with the power of your mind, the strength of your heart, and the support of those who love you, there is nothing you cannot achieve, nothing you cannot overcome, and nothing you cannot become. So go out there and live your best life, free from stress, full of purpose, and overflowing with joy. The world is waiting for you, and your greatest adventures are yet to come.